First of all, we have to understand the science of reincarnation in the ethereal body. The reason that you cremate somebody is because upon death, the body turns back into carbon, which filters back into the atmosphere. So their physical essence goes back into the cosmos, as well as their spiritual frequency or their electronic frequency, which you are. You're just a surge of electrical consciousness, goes back into the astral plane or the solar system. So that being said, family, we have to understand that planet Earth right now is going through a cleansing process. You are connected to the Earth through its latitude and longitude grids, through your chakras, and your emotions filter out through the atmosphere, through this connection, and from the atmosphere they filter out through the exosphere or outer space. So now what you have to understand is the planet Earth, just like when you catch a cold, your body heats up to kill the cold. Planet Earth is heating up to kill the cancerous humanoid entities that it has on here called the Europeans. Now what's happening is the sun is actually going through right now what they call solar emissions or a solar flare period, where the sun is actually emitting photonic particles at the highest degree that is ever emitted in recorded history. And what this is doing is this is actually causing the molecules and atoms, aka all physical objects on this planet Earth, to become more widely spread apart and less dense. So now this is actually restructuring the atomic structure of all things on planet Earth. Time is moving faster, radiocarbon, tangible items are decaying faster. Scientists are no longer able to tell how old things are that they find because they're decaying at a faster rate due to the temperature of the sun. And also the physical molecular structure of black people, which is carbon-12, because that's where you get the 666 analogy from: 6 protons, 6 neutrons, 6 electrons. This carbon-12 is being reconformed to carbon-7, which is just 6 protons, 6 electrons, and 1 neutron. Now this is the physical manifestation of the chakra system, because you have 6 male counterparts in your chakras, you have 6 female counterparts in your chakras, and you have the 1 neutral chakra, which is the crown chakra. So the body is actually being realigned to fit your soul in a more expressatory state. So at this point in time, just like last time y'all see me on Baba TV, I was breaking down the alkaline diet, and you got to drink water for electrons and eat food for photons. This is the time period in which we need to be doing that the most, because the planet Earth is going through what you call an atmospheric cleanse. All beings on the planet Earth are being recomposed anatomically, whether you like it or not, and you need to get with the shift in order to be in transition with nature. Because what's going to happen is the frequency that is needed to live on this planet Earth is being raised. You have to be less dense to live here now. Just like when you're in the ocean, you have to be more dense and bigger to live deeper and deeper and deeper in the water, or you're going to get crushed by the pressure. Now when we're dealing with living outside of water in the atmosphere, you have to be lighter now. And you have to help your body make this transition by keeping it electronically energized. So we're dealing with electronics. Electronics is just the physical study of man's manipulation on electrons. So when we deal with electronics, this is being able to control the direction, speed, etc. of electrons in the atom. So you have to deal with the electronics of your body. You have to start eating things and start psychologically preparing yourself to help your body make this